Hey everybody, welcome back to Auto Scholar with Mr. B. I'm Mr. B, and today is the last video for our beater series here for our 2011 Honda Fit. So I just wanted to run down a list and tell you guys basically what I spent on getting this car back together so we can get it back to the customer and we can go ahead and settle our bill. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just walk around the car and kind of describe what we did and then what it cost. Okay, so one of the things that we said we needed was a new set of tires. They were old and they were dry rotted. So we ended up spending $250.56 on the tires to get those back to spec. We also did the tire pressure monitors because the tire pressure monitoring system was, all the sensors had failed. So we went ahead and put those in, and those were $45.99. We also put a set of hubcaps on it as well. Those were $35.99, and those were kind of the cheapest ones I could find that looked pretty decent. So remember, we also did a video on the starter on this vehicle, which was kind of the kicker on this car. That was $102.55. A washer cap for $5.71 we put on there. Windshield wipers, which are coming in handy because it started to rain here, was $15.99. Air filter, $10.24. Radio was $139.99. And the headlight restoration kit was $13.99. Brought us up to a grand total of $662.99 for the resto. Let's go ahead and go inside and I'll discuss what else we're going to do. Okay, so we actually came in way under budget on this build. Now, there is a lot of things we could do extra to this vehicle to really heighten the cosmetics of the vehicle. But really, for a type of car like this, we're just looking for primary transportation, good, reliable AV transportation, and we want everything to work in the car. So now there's only one thing left to do, and what we have to do is we have to give this car away. And so what we're going to do is we're going to give it to my cameraman right now, who knows absolutely nothing about this, and I asked him to help me film this video today, and so I'm going to grab the camera so I can.
I had a feeling that one. I'm not gonna lie, it's like he's got to stand. He should be fine. But okay.
I have tricked him the whole time. He doesn't know anything about this, and so here is the key to your car.
Thank you.
He has needed a car for quite some time now.
Better than what I have.
Yeah, and so yeah, this is you, buddy. What you think?
I know nothing about this car.
We'll take a look. Take a look. It rained on us outside, so we have to come back inside. But yeah, this car was a mess when we first got it. And so I've done a video series on how to get it back together. We put a really nice radio in it for you, and we don't know really how it works, so you're gonna have to figure that out.
Great. So what all is it?
Well, I'll show you when we get off camera. We'll go for a little ride and I'll show you everything about this. But what you think? First impression?
I mean, it looks nice. Definitely better than what I have.
Yes.
It's not hard to beat.
His car is on its last leg, so we're gonna get this to you, and hopefully for the next couple of years, it's gonna keep you rolling, and so you can build up some stuff and get an even nicer car than this.
Yeah.
So thank you for coming along with this series and with everything that we've been doing, and we'll see you next time on Auto Scholar with Mr. B.